Hello everyone, my name is Thomas and welcome to my lettercraft channel. For a while I was asked questions related to this topic, so today I'm going to mention all the steps I'm going through when I'm creating new templates for my crafts. First of all, you have to have an idea what you want it to be, card holder, wallet or whatever. Usually ideas come spontaneously, so it's the best to take a note immediately. I usually make it on my smartphone as ideas come and go. Ideas usually come from social media feeds such as Instagram and Pinterest. When you see other crafters' crafts, sometimes something sparks in your brain. I don't mean an exact copy of the same craft, but some details which you can add to your craft in different ways. For sure, there are some classic designs where you hardly will invent something new, like for example this card holder, but at least try to make a different pocket shape or any detail. Finally, before taking further actions, you need to have visualization of your craft in your mind. Then I take paper and pencil and try to draw it. And after making drawings of separate pieces and cutting them out, I'm making paper version of my craft. Here you have to pay attention that leather is much thicker than paper, so measurements should be adjusted. I mean, if the card in the paper version of the wallet is quite loose, in the leather version it would be good. After you will make some crafts that way, you will have a feeling how much to add to compensate for a thickness of leather. When I have paper version of my craft and it looks good, all parts match and etc., I make a first prototype out of various leather scraps. I have a box with leather scraps, which is damaged surface leather or ruined in other ways and can be used for creating regular crafts I'm selling. When I have this prototype, I make final adjustments to the project measurements if needed. Also, I can see some nuances of making process which you don't even count before starting. Then I'm carrying this prototype for at least a few days to see how it performs in real life. Is it convenient to carry or not so? For example, this pouch card holder, only when I used it in real life, I recognized it's not very convenient to take off the card. So in final design, I made cut out here and solved this issue. If I'm happy with it and measurements are fine, I will create a digital version of the template in Adobe Illustrator. I'm not a pro with that program, only last year I started to dive deeper into it and learn how to work with this program. But at least now I can make what I need with my templates. It's not very hard if you have at least basic skills with computer and some willingness to learn. You will make it quite fast, as there are a lot of Adobe Illustrator tutorials on YouTube. Previously, I used to ask my friend to create a digital version of my templates on AutoCAD. YouTube is such an amazing place where people teach you everything you want just for pressing the like button. So if you will get something useful from this video, don't forget to press that like button. I'm not going to show you my workflow in Adobe Illustrator. As I mentioned before, I'm not as good with it yet, so I could teach others, but I can recommend you watch Brian's video. You probably know this guy from Little King Goods. I remember a while ago he made a video showing his exact workflow of creating template in Adobe Illustrator. I will leave a link in the video description. Great video if you are new to Adobe Illustrator. And lastly, I'm making the final version of this craft by using my digital template I created and making a video for tutorial purposes, as I'm selling templates of my crafts and it's a part of my business. If you are interested, please check it at my webshop strhandmade.com. Before you buy any template, you can check the tutorial video and decide if you want to make it or not. I always strive to make a quality product, so I'm going through all these steps to make a legit product with tutorial and test it by myself, not just create random digital designs straight out of my mind. Quite often I get questions about my PDF templates. Are there marked stitching holes? No, there are not, because we're all using different shapes and steps, pricking irons and distance from the edge, so I don't see the point to mark these holes. If you bought my template and found any errors, please report it to me so I can fix it. Also, if you have any suggestions on what I can improve on my PDFs, please feel free to leave the comment. It will help me to improve the quality of my digital products. I really appreciate when customers give their reviews. That's it, guys. I suggest you watch a couple of my other videos related to this topic: how to make an easy plastic templates for your letter projects, and video about budget clicker press and where to order custom cutting dies. Thanks for watching, hope you found something useful for you. See you next time, bye!